Good morning, children. This is your Nagu sir. So this is the new YouTube channel I have opened for the purpose of students' betterment. So this is Nagu sir's class. Today we are going to discuss about class 10 Social Science CBSE course structure. In CBSE, that is for 10th standard, 4 items are there: history, geography, political science and economics. In these 4 items, how many chapters you should study only for examination, how many chapters you should study only for periodic test, and how many chapters have been deleted completely, which you need not to worry about those chapters. First, let's start from history. History, only 2 chapters are there for 20 marks. Imagine, 2 chapters, 20 marks, can score very easily for your examination. The rise of nationalism in Europe, nationalism in India. These are the only 2 chapters you will study in history for 20 marks. If you divide it, it may be for 10, but it may vary, because in nationalism in India you will have map work also, theory as well as map work. Come to geography. In geography you should study 6 chapters for 20 marks. They are resources and development, water resources, agriculture, minerals and energy resources, manufacturing industries, lifelines of national economy. These 6 chapters. Among these 6 chapters, water resources is only for map work. No theory. Theoretical part have been deleted. So you are going to study water resources as well as minerals and energy resources, only map items. So the maps you are going to study for final examination. That means theory, only for theory I am saying, resources and development, agriculture, manufacturing industries and lifelines of national economy for theory, and water resources and minerals and energy resources for only for map work. Political science, only 4 chapters you are going to study: power sharing, federalism, political parties, outcomes of democracy. So these 4 chapters you are going to study for examination, very easy chapters. In economics, 4 chapters, 20 marks. In political science also 4 chapters, 20 marks. Here 4 chapters, 20 marks in economics. Chapters are development, sectors of Indian economy, money and credit, globalization and the Indian economy. These 4 easy chapters you are going to study for examination. And the chapters which you should study only for periodic test, only for periodic test. They are from history, the making of a global world, the age of industrialization. Among these 2 chapters, again you have chance here to choose any one chapter, any one easy chapter you are going to study for periodic test only. Remember these chapters what I said: history 2 chapters, geography 6 chapters, political science 4 chapters, economics 4 chapters. Totally 16 chapters you are going to study for annual examination. And among these 2, any one chapter you will study for periodic test. It may be in any periodic test they may give this, any one of these 2 chapters. Okay. And deleted chapters, completely these chapters have been deleted. From history, 1 chapter, print culture and modern world. From geography, forest and wildlife, forest and wildlife. From political science, democracy and diversity, gender, religion and caste, popular struggles and movements, challenges to democracy. So 4 chapters from political science. So totally 6 chapters have been deleted completely. And one more chapter, consumer awareness, is only for this one. It's only for the project work. 3 options they have given, that we will see that because map items as well as that we are going to I'm going to say that in the next video. So this is all about the course structure which you have to study only for final examination for the CBSE Social Science 10th standard. Okay children, so this is all about this course structure. Now you like, share and subscribe my channel, that is Social Science Vidya Bhavan. Social Science Vidya Bhavan. So in the description it is mentioned clearly about this, and as well as the blog, all that link have been attached in the subscription in the description. Okay, thank you children, have a nice day.